If some great things are opened up in front of you, you think, no, it is too good to be true. Please listen. All great things before experiencing look like too good to be true. Nobody ever believed before the flying has happened in Mumbai, that human beings can fly in such large number. Please understand, the flight was not discovered by Wright brothers as it is taught in the West. 110 years before the Wright brothers in Mumbai, a Vedic Pandit, a Shastri, has organized an aircraft, put it together based on the Vedic tradition, the knowledge in the Vedas, and it was successfully flying. It was successfully flying. Unfortunately, it was at the time we were slaves, and the Pandit and the aircraft both mysteriously got kidnapped. Anyhow, but there is a clear record and demonstration by this Pandit in front of those days kings. Till the Pandit proved that flying is possible, it was looking too good to be true.